Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 67 of Building the Delorean, the time machine from Back to the Future. In this issue, we are working on the first door, the left-hand door. In this particular vehicle, that's the driver's door. So, yes, we'll get on with that and see. We've got door controls, handles, and things to put together. I'm liking the look of it. I mean, these are unique doors. They're gull-wing doors, so they open upwards rather than the hinges at the top rather than the front. So yeah, we've got to put bolts and things on. We've got some illumination, I believe, inside these. So there's certainly clear pieces. So yeah, we've got to sort out the strap, the handle thing, and do all that, and we'll get that done. So we end up with two separate pieces. Obviously, the top of the door is separate. Not sure. I obviously the metal piece is going to have to be one piece, and that's going to be structurally okay to hold it all together. So I'm sure it'll be fine. Let's have a look. Before we do that, we're looking at, yes, Back to the Future 3, Part 3. Sorry. First steps in 1885. That was good. It was a fun film. It was less serious. I mean, none of them are serious. But yeah, I quite enjoyed that. I shall go back and watch the Back to the Future series again very shortly, I think. I'm going to enjoy that. I'm looking forward to doing that. Yeah. So yes, a TV puppet foreshadows events. I don't remember that. Don't remember that at all, but I'm sure it's there. So yes, next time we've got, as I say, some lights to fit and the other bit. So like window operating mechanism, maybe. Yes, these parts and step-by-step instructions telling you how to put them together, exactly the same as normal. So let's have a look at those parts. Right, some nice looking parts with this. Didn't realise it had a gold sort of interior trim. Well, the trim's sort of this, but I didn't realise it had that. That's quite nice. I like it. I believe this is obviously going to fit there-ish somewhere, but that's a separate piece for now, so we're not doing that. We're going to fit the door lock into there. A little bit just holds in there. It doesn't hold in there with a JP screw. I haven't opened up any of these screws yet. I've got AP, KP, and JP. Get one of those out. Hopefully, just one screw out. That's all I need. There we go. Leave that over there. Grab a screwdriver. These are little screws that have got a little washer built onto them. So it will locate itself in the right place. Apologies today if you've got any background noises. I do have a fan on because it's pretty warm in here today. Still morning time, but it's a slightly smaller screwdriver, I think. Still morning time, but it's already a little bit warm. So yeah, apologies if you can hear any of that. If you can't, then just ignore me. I know you normally ignore me, but you know. Yep. So that is going on there. I'll get all these tightened up after the fact. We need the other one for the other side, the bigger one. That goes in there, and that's also a JP screw to hold that in place. There's one left in there, so that's almost certainly going to be a spare. Unlikely that they're going to use all of those, I think. On the screwdriver, and then get that in there. There we go. Right, then we have the two red pieces to fit in. They are going in this lower hole there. They pull straight through. They probably are. Don't quite get that. It says push them into place. It's going in the front of this as well. Not entirely certain. Got to go that way round? Yeah, I'll have to go that way round. Not the way round I expected, but that will do it. These are both the same. That will go on there like that. And then I can't move this anywhere because they'll fall out. All right. Then we need to identify parts 67J and 67L. With these ones. One's got an offset blob and one's got a blob not offset. It's a central blob, so that is L. Where's L going? L is the first one that I'm dealing with, so let's put that in. Oh, that holds that in place. Right, okay. Yeah, so that's going to go in there. Like that. Egg and a screw and a hole for the bulb to fit into. Right, I've got that. That is using a KP screw. Is the other one actually using? I'm not sure. Not probably use the other KP screw in a minute, but I'll just get the one out. Hopefully, for now. There we go. In there. That. So that'll hold that in place, and that one's already fallen out because we haven't done anything with it yet. But now we're going to do something with it, so I'll put that back. But we're not using that bit. We're using this bit. Interesting. So that goes over there. Again, there's a peg on this one and a plug on that one, and that is using an AP screw. I'm liking this build episode. I like it. There's quite a lot to do. A little bit fiddly, but not too bad. And it's making a thing that's going to look quite cool in the end. There we go. There we have that, holding that one in place as well. Ah, that's why I needed that gold bit to match up the outside, whereas this one is sort of flush with it's going to be the outside. So that's that. Next up, we put the orange one over this side. And I need to turn the page to find out that we're going to use that other bracket that we didn't use yet. With a KP screw, yes. So let's get the other KP screw out of there. That ready to go. And then this is going there. Plug into the hole. And socket through into the screw hole. Like that. And that is in. That is in place there. And good to go. Nice, I like that. That's the inside of that bit finished. So now we get to work on the other part of the section. Got this, which has got a little loop on it. D loop. Does say should be on there, should be on that other end of it. So we'll put that through like that. So this is passing through here. Which way around? Rounded corners that side. It does in fact say. So that's going through there. And back out of here. Come on. Through you go. There you are. No, you don't. You can't escape. Through there and then through here. Ain't your room. Just need to grab it. Okay, there we go. So that's that in there. Well, then that goes back through the loop. All right, okay. It's going to be a little bit fiddly. Sure, we'll get there. I need the loop on the other side of that bit. Like that. And we get that through there. That's going to be a little bit trickier. So let's use a pair of tweezers at the end. Push that through. Grab it. we go. And then that should go through like that. Not too sure about that end bit. Bit round, so hang on. Let's see which way round it's going to go. It's going to go on there like that. And I think that's going to hang down that way. So I do really want that on the other side. Yeah, I'll play around with that and get that looking better. Do I really want that? Difficult. I just want that completely opposite way round, I think. Will make that look better. So I actually want to do it the reverse way to how they say it should be done. I'm going to go through this side. And through there. That was easier. And then that through there. Right, let's, if I can grab through there and grab that. Should be able to pull that back through there like that. And that can also come through. Yeah, let's get that doubled up bit through there as well. A little bit unsightly. A little thicker, glued together bit. I'll get it through now. Why's that? Why is that not wanting to go through there? It did go through there. I think I put it the other side of that, didn't I? Not certain. That needs to come through there, like that. And then when that hangs down, that will look better. Looks better to me that way round. Assuming that's that way up. Yeah, I'm happier with that to look like that. So I'll go with that. I'll try and remember to do the other one that way round as well. So more AP screws to hold that in place. Come on, out you come. Going to need a couple more of those as well, I reckon, because we've got that bit to attach yet. These two will hold that in place. And because this video has been long enough already, I shall attach this bit there, like that. That's the controls. So that's got to be the lower bit of the door. So that's going to have to go down here, isn't it? Probably a bit like that. Yeah, that's going to end up going on there, because that's the control panel for electric windows and stuff like that. So that's going to end up going on there like that, but not yet. First of all, we've got to do some other things. So I'll get that attached in there with more AP screws. Let's get one of those in now. I'll get the last couple of screws tightened in. Make sure this is secure. And then we will be done. So that's it. Another week done, and lots of building stuff happened. Next time, I'm pretty sure we're going to be returning to this and getting it more together and adding extra bits to it. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying it. Do let me know. And I shall see you for more things soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now. You